Tokyo, a city known for its vibrant crowds, endless shopping and dazzling LED lights that light up the night sky. But beyond the famous landmarks and electric street lies another side of Tokyo, one that few people take the time to explore. Tucked away in these less traveled corners are places where time slows down, where nature and history merge to tell forgotten stories. Today, I'll be taking you to Noborito Station, a hidden gem just outside the heart of Tokyo. It's a place where serene shrines, historic paths, and cozy cafes come together along the banks of the beautiful Tama River. Let's step off the beaten path and discover what makes Noborito so special. Welcome to Tokyo's hidden gems, Noborito. First on our journey is Shukugawa Sengen Shrine. Around 20 minutes by foot from Noborito Station. Unlike the bustling shrines in central Tokyo, this one feels forgotten by time. Fallen bamboo partially blocks your steps. It feels like it's somewhat forgotten. The air here is filled with a mysterious energy, heightened by the quiet creaking of the nearby bamboo forest. Each gust of wind sends the tall stalks swaying, creating a symphony of rustling leaves and hollow creaks. There's an almost haunting beauty of this place, as if it holds a secret whisper through the wind. Solitude here, combined with the natural sounds, makes you feel like you step into an ancient history. Every so often, acorns fall from the trees, adding an unexpected percussion to nature's soundtrack. The exact age of the shrine isn't well documented, making it difficult to pinpoint its founding year precisely. However, Sengen shrines in general have origins tracing back to the ancient worship of Konohana Sakuya Hime, the goddess of Mount Fuji, which dates to back over 1,000 years. Many shrines dedicated to her were established during the Heian period, or even earlier, as reverence for Mount Fuji, becoming prominent in Japanese religious practices. The shrine is believed to have been established as a local place of worship, residents seeking protection, prosperity, and good harvests. It serves as a spiritual site where rituals and festivals dedicated to the goddess were performed, especially during the planting and harvest seasons. Behind the shrine, a narrow, tree-lined path stretches quietly into the distance. This forest road is rich with overhanging branches and the floor blanketed by fallen leaves, simply fading into the dense thicket. Next up, we're going to Asama Shrine, just a short walk away from our previous location. It's known for its Fujitsuka, a miniature Mount Fuji. Its replicas were created in the Edo period. For those unable to make the pilgrimage to the real Mount Fuji, it was particularly significant during the Edo period, when the journey to Mount Fuji was both long and costly for most people. Climbing up this little hill brings a sense of victory and a unique connection to old Japan. Actually, climbing this hill is thought to hold spiritual significance, offering purification and symbolic connection to the real Mount Fuji. Here, you can see offerings previous people left. In this case, rice wine. The shrine structure, though modest, features carved wooden details that have withstood the passage of time, where each beam and panel seems to tell its own story. Although this shrine is modest in size compared to others around Tokyo, it maintains an air of sacred tranquility. And it's definitely worth visiting if you're planning to visit Noborito or its surroundings. Now let's head to our next destination. Heading in the direction of Tamagawa, one of the bigger rivers passing through Tokyo. On the way, I also found some banana trees casually growing on the side of the road. Also some Jizo statues believed to offer protection to the citizens. So here we are, the path by the Nikaryo Yosui Inake. This canal, constructed during the Edo period, is part of an extensive network that once supplied water for irrigation. Today, it offers a scenic route with gentle breezes, an almost meditative atmosphere. In the spring, the path is filled with sakura trees. In the autumn, you can step on these beautiful yellow leaves. You can also find some nice looking plants and flowers scattered along the river bank. spot is an ideal place to enjoy studying or simply relaxing with a cup of coffee. Next up, Funashima Inari Daimyojin, a shrine dedicated to Inari, the Shinto deity of prosperity, rice and fox spirits. The striking red torii gates and a small statues of foxes, or kitsune, create an atmosphere filled with mystery and reverence. This small but beautiful shrine is perfect for taking a quiet moment to reflect, offering prayers for prosperity, or simply soaking up the peaceful atmosphere. Foxes hold a special place in Japanese folklore and can sometimes be seen as mysterious, even a bit unsettling. Stories tell of foxes possessing mystical powers, including shape-shifting and trickery. While foxes are revered as protectors, some legends suggest they play tricks on those who disrespect. So be sure to behave here. After soaking in all that history and culture, it's time to unwind at FUGLEN Coffee Roasters. Just a few minutes away from Noborito station, just in front of Tamagawa River, we ordered some apple juice and some nice milky ice cream. Their roasted coffee is almost famous, so be sure to try it out. However, it was too late for us in the day to drink caffeinated beverages. Maybe next time. We end our journey by the Tama Riverside, where the gentle flow of river and open sky make it an idyllic spot for an afternoon walk or peaceful moment alone. Riverside is popular with locals for jogging, cycling, or simply just sitting down and enjoy the view. As you walk along the well-maintained paths, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the water's movement. The sky is so clear today. The other side of the channel sometimes hosts events. I think there was a beer festival this time. On warm days, the river becomes a playground for adventure seekers. Some locals take the water for kayaking or canoeing. Many locals also enjoy fishing along the Tama Riverside, where the waters are home to various fish species. Whether you are seeking an active afternoon or a peaceful escape, Tama Riverside offers a slice of nature that beautifully complements the vibrant life of Noborito. Thanks for tagging along on this walk. In the end, I'd like to show you some cool shots we got today. If you like this kind of content, please let me know. See ya!